All right, next up we got another video. This one says, I've been doing RTS guided programming for 8 weeks now. I've taken my squat from 205 for 5 now to 300 for 5, and I've adopted more of a high bar style squat since low bar caused some pinching in my hips and wouldn't allow me to hit depth. Can you check my form and see if I'm on the right track, i.e., right bar path, hitting adequate depth, etc.? So let's go ahead and just take a look at your squat here. Your depth is definitely fine. And frankly, I don't see any sort of problem with your technique at all. Especially if this is stronger for you, which it seems to be way stronger for you. I would recommend that you keep on this track. I don't really have much else to add. That looked great.